Are you torn between the sleek Apple iPhone Air and the powerful Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge for 2025? This ultimate thin phone duel breaks down everything you need to know before you buy. Both tech giants have pushed boundaries with incredibly slim designs, raising critical questions about whether sacrificing thickness means compromising on essentials like battery life and camera quality. Surprisingly, when you stack these ultra-thin marvels, their combined depth actually exceeds many standard phones, challenging the perception of true slimness. For those ready to make the switch, don't miss out. Check the links in the description to secure your iPhone Air or Galaxy S25 Edge deals today. The iPhone Air starts at a premium $999, boasting a stunning 6.5-inch OLED display with an astounding 3000 nits brightness, an A19 Pro chip, and a unique 48-megapixel camera with the innovative center stage selfie. Meanwhile, the $1 100 Galaxy S25 Edge counters with a larger 6.7-inch QHD+ AMOLED screen, a powerful 200-megapixel main camera, and the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. While both promise all-day battery life, our deep dive reveals the real-world compromises necessary for their razor-thin profiles. Discover which of these 2025 mobile marvels delivers the best blend of style and substance for your everyday needs. This in-depth comparison reveals the surprising truths behind Apple's iOS 26 and Samsung's Android 15 flagships. Is the allure of a thinner phone worth the potential trade-offs? Watch to find out which phone truly dominates this high-stakes battle.